Hey there, it's Brittany. I am back with an unboxing video. I know you guys are gonna be like, wait, you just did an unboxing video from these people. I got another order from Bead Box Bargains pretty much the same day that I posted my last video because I went to their website and they had more new stuff. So when it rains, it pours, right? So they always send their card and a little thank you gift attached. It's I think the same thing as last time, just some antique brass spacer beads. Here's their website. I will also link below, and I will link to their subscription service. It's my favorite one. I've had it for years. I definitely recommend it to everyone. Oh, okay. I totally forgot what I ordered, but apparently it was a lot of check glass. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of, I guess, one kind at the same time. Hopefully I can figure out the names, the colors. Hopefully they're all spelled out. So I got a lot of pressed glass leaves, maple leaf beads, and they were all $1.79 a strand. However, they have 30% off on their website. So if you're part of their subscription or their subscription plan, you get 30% off every month. So I think these are strawberry luster, I'm gonna guess. That one has a stripe through it. That's kind of interesting. These remind me of my friend Emma. She lives in Canada. Who, by the way, I also got a package from today. I cannot wait to open that one. Oh my gosh, it's big, and I can't wait to see what's in it. I'll probably post that one before I post this video. So light jade green opaque, I guess is what this color is. I got several different colors that could be green. Now this isn't, because of the lighting, is not showing up. It's more mint than it is showing on the camera. The camera's showing a little aqua, but this is like a minty green. It's not aqua, it's green. Then we have, this might be silk green. I don't know. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's got almost like a luster finish on it. I'm so excited about these. Now, I did mention in my last video that I buy leaves all the time and I never know what to do with them. So, but these are a different type of leaf. They're not top drilled, so we'll see. These are pretty. They're like a mulberry red and purpley swirled bead. They're very fun. I love this one with the ombre. Very pretty. Those almost look like stone, not glass. Things tend to move really quickly on their website, so I'm sorry if they don't have these anymore. You kind of just got to always check to see what they have. These are champagne, I think, luster. If not, I'm sorry if I'm getting the names wrong. I have the packing slip right next to me, but I can't tell which one's which. Those are really cool, very light and airy. Ooh, what are these? Or maybe that one was transparent matte topaz. I don't know. So these are really pretty. These have a luster on them. They're like a pink with a gold luster. So pretty. Such a cool color. I'm actually really happy that I got these. I was like, do I really? Okay, I knew I didn't need the leaves, but I was like, do I really want more leaves? But I don't have any like this. This is the matte. I think it said matte topaz. Very cool. Very autumn. Very fall. Some of these could be spring or summer, but those are definitely fall. Ooh, these are bright. Maybe opaque harvest orange. These are very bright. They're looking more yellow in the camera, but they're like a macaroni and cheese, like orange color, Kraft macaroni and cheese color. In real life, the color is very different than the camera is showing at the moment. Let me see. Yeah, if I kind of take my hands out of there, it's a little bit more close to the actual real life color. Oh, another yellow. Maybe it's got a nice shine on it. That's really pretty. I'm really happy that I got these beads. They're really pretty. Okay, Okay, so we have like an ivory luster. Very nice. I could use those in something wintry or something spring. Really anything, but winter pops into mind with that color. I don't know what, oops, dropped it. I don't know what color this is, but it's like metallic. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is my favorite strand so far. And this guy right there is my favorite. I love it. They kind of look like Raku beads. If you don't know what that is, they're Raku beads are a certain effect you can get on ceramic beads by firing them in a certain way. So that's what those look like to me. Those are gorgeous. I feel like I need to make a mold of these with polymer clay. Ooh, and I didn't even on purpose. This is one of my favorite colors. So like teal. So pretty. Oh, I'm so excited about all of these. These are gorgeous beads. Okay, let's see, what else did I get? Looks like I got some little flower spacers. Just cute little flowers. They always have really good deals on spacer beads and metal beads. Of course, I just dropped it. I'm gonna put those down so I don't drop any more. And then I also got, ooh, some, you guys know I love toggle clasps. I got these rose ones. Now I think they have the gold rose ones on their website, and I didn't see them last time. And I have another cart full of junk that I don't need, so don't need to keep going back. But these are beautiful. I don't have these. They're very cute. And then it's just a simple toggle. Very cute. Love those. They're always such great prices on their toggles too. Those were 99 cents for 3 sets, and then of course 30% off, so 70 cents for 3 sets. Oh, it's funny, I forgot I bought these, and I've actually been looking for these on Etsy. These are pressed glass top drilled shell beads. It's so funny. I bought them, forgot, and then I was actually going to buy them again. So these are really cute. They come in all sorts of colors. I only saw this color, I think, on the website. But it's my favorite color. So these are 9mm turquoise and lavender. So cute. Check beads. Love those. I'm not really a huge check fan. I do love the shapes, but sometimes they're a little too expensive for my taste for what you get. But I feel like Bead Box Bargains gives you great prices. So I must have gotten 2 of these. These I think are the honey. I love these pressed glass melon beads. I used to use these a lot when I was making jewelry to sell on Etsy years ago. I used to use melons all the time. They seem to draw the eye as spacers and nice accent beads. Plus I was like obsessed with them. I got some more melons in mint. Just a basic mint color. I got some more melons in blue and mint, which is kind of fun. Ooh, I love those. They're like little globes. I just love this shape. And then I got even more melons in violet and mint, which I thought was a really weird color combo, so I had to test it out. Whoops. And it's so funny, as of the filming of this, October 14th, I don't have my October Bargain Bead Box yet. Don't know when it's going to get here. I don't even know if it's shipped yet. I haven't checked. Other people have already gotten theirs and unboxed it, so I'm a little upset. But I'm normally the last person to get that subscription, and I refuse to watch other unboxings about it because I like being surprised. So please don't tell me what's in it. I will delete your comment. Okay, so I got these skulls. I don't remember ordering these, but I think I probably ordered them because it was Halloween. These crystal skulls. These are so cool. So neat. Let me see if I can find the... yeah, $1.49 for 10 plus 30% off. Jonquil Shimmer is the name. Looks like I think I missed a couple of leaf colors. Ooh, this one's really pretty. It's another green, but it's got marbling. Very cool. I got these other spacers. I showed you the silver ones, but I also got them in antique bronze. I'm not going to open them because I spilled the silver ones. And then some more of these leaves. This one's like an olive yellow, like olive green yellow color. I love it. And it's got striations of other colors throughout. I'm loving that I got a whole new collection of beads. I didn't have these, and I'm glad I got all the colors that I really wanted, because I would have just been putting in another order. So this one's slightly different. This one's like a turquoise, muted turquoise, but they're semi-opaque. So pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I also got these, I don't know what these are. I don't know what these are called. Let's see. 6mm glass fizgig bumpy spacer beads in turquoise and sea green. Got 2 of them. They had a bunch of different shape, or bunch of different colors in this shape, but I really liked that this was like a combo of blue or turquoise and sea green. So cool. And then it looks like this, do I have anything else? Oh no, I got some black crystal skulls. Going right in the Halloween bin. And then I also got some pink check glass flowers. So let me get those. These are kind of basic, and I feel like I have some of these, but I know I have this color in a bunch of check glass beads. I don't know if I have this shape. So really fun. These kind of remind me of the 90s when I started making jewelry, because that's the beads that I had. So I have a lot of vintage check glass beads now because of that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I was pleasantly surprised. I don't know if I was surprised. I really do always like my orders from beadboxbargains.com. But I was actually pleasantly surprised with all of these glass leaves. They're so yummy. So yummy, and I want to hoard them. I don't want to make anything with them. But if you have any ideas on what I should use or what I should make with these leaves, please let me know. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for a cute little video of Goldie. You know she loves you guys, and I know you love her. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.